Online trading is one of the best ways to earn good money at home. For beginners, this video provides important tips on where and how to start earning good money through trading. There are two main online trading options that you can select depending on your preferences. The first is fixed time trading, where you set the time within which to execute a trade from as low as 1 minute to hours. After setting time, you then decide the amount you want to invest in the trade from as low as $1. The next step is predicting whether the selected commodity price, let us say Bitcoin, will be lower or above the current price after the set time. If you get it right, you earn a certain percentage into your balance. For example, if Bitcoin offers a return of 80%, you earn 80 cents for every $1 you invest. Forex trading is the other option that you can trade by identifying the preferred commodity and buying at the current market prices. You observe the trend and sell when the market price increases to your desired profit margin. Fixed-time trades are more profitable for beginners but highly risky. Forex trading is the best when you are willing to invest large amounts of money. The first step is to identify the best markets to make a profit. The common trading markets include Forex, cryptocurrencies, and stocks, which are provided in most trading platforms. Each commodity has risks and benefits, so make a choice depending on your preferences. The second step is to select the desired trading platform. Here, consider a platform that charges the least trading and transaction fees, provides a demo account to practice your skills, and provides timely support. Also, check the company website for licenses to keep your money safe. The third step is to ensure that the selected platform accepts secure payment methods such as credit cards and online banking to avoid the inconveniences of visit the bank all time. The selected platform must be functionally stable to update payments on your trader account in real time. The fourth step is to hedge out risks by investing only the amount you are ready to lose, that is 1 to 2% of your deposit. Also, stop trading if you lose 3 times consecutively in a day. Use risk management tools such as stop-loss and take-profit functions to optimize returns. The final step is creating your trading strategy and rules to guide in the investments. There are several trading strategies you can select depending on your preferences. Always test a trading strategy using the demo account before applying it to your real account. I wish you luck. In case you have any more questions, please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on how to make good money. Your text here. Online trading is one of the best ways to earn good money at home. For beginners, this video provides important tips on where and how to start earning good money through trading. There are two main online trading options that you can select depending on your preferences. The first is fixed time trading, where you